So here we have a Thetford toilet and the flush is not working. I'll show you now. The toilet is open and if I press the button, nothing happens, it does not work. So we will diagnose this together. So to begin the diagnosis, we'll pull out the cassette. Make sure it's closed at the top so you can pull it out. Start by inspecting your fuse here. As you can see, the fuse is fine, it's not blown. But just to be sure, we'll just test it now with the multimeter. Also check the wiring, and this wiring looks all fine as well. So we'll just test this fuse out. It's a bit hard to try and do it with one hand. And as you can hear, it's working. So I just put it on continuity just to test if it's open circuit or not. I mean, the fuse is corroded. I'll clean that up. So we'll continue diagnosing and we'll try and figure out where the problem lies. So the next step from here is see if we're getting voltage at the pump. So we'll try that now. So using a digital multimeter on DC volts, just check for voltage here. As you can see, there's 12 volts present, so we'll go inside now and check the pump. Because we're going to test for voltage, I'll put the cassette back in because there is a switch over there. So I was very suspect of that fuse, so I ended up replacing it. I've put another fuse that I have closest to it because that fuse was very badly corroded. So I've solved the problem. I'll just show you now. So when you've done that, open up your toilet to test it. And it works fine. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.